Hi everyone! Welcome to the Sepi Food channel. Today we're making one of the most iconic and delicious Turkish dishes, dolma. So stick around until the end of the video. To begin, carefully clean and wash the required herbs, then finely chop them so that their aroma and flavor are evenly distributed throughout the dish. Once the herbs are ready, it is time for the onion to take center stage. Finely chop the onion with care and add it to a warm pan with a little oil. As it begins to sizzle gently, its inviting aroma fills the air, signaling the start of the rich and delicious flavors that will soon bring the dolma to life. Once the onions have softened and turned lightly golden, it is time to add the meat. Stir it into the pan and sauté it together with the onions, allowing their flavors and aromas to blend and create a rich, flavorful base for the dolma. After adding the turmeric, salt, and pepper, and allowing the spices to blend with the meat, it is time to add the aromatic herbs. Stir the pre-fried herbs into the mixture and sauté everything for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to combine and creating a fragrant, flavorful filling for the dolma. After sautéing the mixture, it is time to add the cooked split peas and rice. Stir them gently into the mixture until all the ingredients are well combined, forming a uniform filling ready for cooking. At this stage, the grape leaves are placed in boiling water for a few minutes until they soften and slightly change color. This helps make them more tender and ready for rolling the dolma. Now comes the moment to roll the dolmas. This is one of the most delightful steps of the entire cooking process, where each grape leaf is gently filled and carefully wrapped, turning simple ingredients into small, beautifully shaped parcels full of flavor and anticipation. After all the dolmas are wrapped, we line the bottom of a pot with a few grape leaves. Then, we carefully arrange the dolmas on top of them in neat layers. Finally, we pour vinegar around the edges of the pot and let them cook slowly until they are fully done, allowing all the flavors to come together beautifully. After about half an hour of gentle cooking, our dolmas are finally ready. This beloved dish, known in Turkey as sarma, is one of the most cherished traditional meals, celebrated for its rich aroma, tender texture, and deeply comforting flavor that brings people together around the table. I hope you try making this traditional dish and truly enjoy its wonderful flavor. Bon appétit! For more videos, subscribe to the Sepi Food channel and enjoy the content. Love you all.